Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Haeyoon, and have you ever been to Ulsan? No. Ulsan is my hometown, so I was born in and grew up there. So Ulsan is the seventh largest city in Korea, but most of people don't know this. So from now on, I will tell you the characteristics of the Ulsan. First of all, Ulsan is the most industrial city in Korea. In 1962, when Korean economic development was began, Ulsan was appointed to industry park. So many companies and factories were stood in Ulsan here and there, and they have played a great role in our economy. Especially car industry, shipbuilding, and the oil industry is the most famous. The development of car industry and the shipbuilding is natural because the biggest production lines such as Hyundai Motors, Hyundai Shipbuilding are all located in Ulsan. This is Hyundai Motor and this is oil industry. Hyundai Motor produced about 1.5 million cars per year, and it is the biggest scale in the world. To promote this, city plans to promote Autovalley. Autovalley means car cluster. If these plans come true, Ulsan's car industry will be more expanded. And about oil industry, oil industry is also great. There are a lot of companies and factories related to oil chemistry, and actually my father is working there. In the center of Ulsan, you can see this tower. This tower is industry tower. It means Gongoktak, and it is a symbol of Ulsan. It shows the development industry of Ulsan. Second, Ulsan is the historical city. Since in past, our ancestors lived in Ulsan and they developed our history. We can find these signs through a lot of remains. Let's see. This is Banggude Angakpang, and this is Cheonjeolli Dakseong. Both are very big stones, and on their surface, a lot of interesting pictures in there. The painting shows our ancestors' lifestyle, life patterns, or customs. For example, on the surface of Banggude Angakpang, there are a lot of whale paintings. From this, we can easily get our prehistoric ancestors live with whales. And there is Onyanusong in Ulsan. It is made because avoiding the enemies, and it shows the Japanese invasion of Korea in 1592. Moreover, there are a lot of remains such as Seongnamsa, lots of temples, lots of towers, and so on. Finally, Ulsan is enjoyable city. Ulsan has both rivers and seas, and there are wonderful mountains near Ulsan called Yeongnam Alps. So people can enjoy their peace nature and play a lot of things such as climbing, fishing, and so on. And there is a lot of festivals in Ulsan. The most famous thing is Jangsenpo Whale Festival. As I said before, this area is famous for its whale, and you can, if you attend this festival, you can get a lot of information about whale and taste this. The people who taste this said it is very delicious, but it is not my type. And Onyan Bulgogi Festival is also interesting. Onyang is very famous for its fresh and delicious cow, so you can taste it in the festival. And Ganjeolgut Sunlight Festival is also great. Ganjeolgut is the place where the sun rises first in our country. So the last day and the first day of year, Ganjeolgut is very crowded with many people comes from here and there, and they play and hope a Happy New Year. Now you got some information about Ulsan. It is industrial city, and it is historical city and enjoyable city. How do you like Ulsan? In conclusion, Ulsan is very attractive city and it is worth visiting. But I think most of people think Ulsan is just a factory of it, but it is not true. So I recommend that visiting Ulsan and then you will fall in the attractions of Ulsan. Thank you.